Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K on PS5 using an easy method. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls you need to dominate the court. You'll learn how to score effortlessly and defend like a pro, even if you're new to the game. We'll also adjust some settings to make your experience smoother and more enjoyable, ensuring you have a fantastic time playing. Let's dive into offense, the key to scoring big. For shooting, simply press the square button for a jump shot or layup, or use the right stick for more advanced moves like floaters and dunks. When near the basket, hold L2 to post up and create space. Passing is crucial. Use the X button for quick, accurate passes to open teammates, setting up easy scoring opportunities. Now let's talk defense, which is just as important as offense. To stay in front of your opponent, hold down the L2 button for intense defense. When they shoot, press square to attempt a block and deny them points. For steals, flick the right stick towards the ball handler, but be careful not to foul. Remember to use the L1 button to quickly switch to the closest defender, ensuring you always have coverage. Finally, let's optimize your game settings for an easier experience. Head to the Options menu and set the difficulty to Rookie or Pro. This significantly reduces opponent challenge. Turn on shot timing feedback to help you learn perfect releases. Also, enable defensive assist to make guarding opponents much simpler. Feel free to customize your controller settings for maximum comfort, ensuring every game is enjoyable and stress-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.